Hola Bonitas, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Alejandra for those of you who are new, and if you aren't new, then welcome back. I am doing a Sunday reset today. It is Sunday noon, the time change, so it's a little earlier, and I'm excited about that, even though it gets way darker now. But this weekend was so busy. Since Friday, I had hair gigs, and I've been busy and tired. And then we had a whole bunch of events going on yesterday, which was Saturday. So my house has been looking like a hot mess. And then our sink was clogged since like midweek. So Peter and my father-in-law were like doing their thing there all day yesterday. So I have to clean the kitchen. I'm gonna do a load of laundry and just pick up everything because you guys, my house is a hot mess. It's like embarrassing. So you know what? Let's tackle it together. I was like, I wasn't gonna film today, but the baby just went down for a nap earlier, which was a perk of the time change. And I was like, okay, let's clean with the bonitas. Así que hay que motivarnos juntas and let's get to it. Okay, first things first, let's throw a load of clothes in the washer because while I clean something else, the load is washing. We gotta multitask here, bonitas, so that's a tip for you. Alright, the kitchen is clean. I just need to wash these little hand towels and tortilla towels. But Angelique woke up from her nap and le estoy dando a little snack / lunch with raspberries and blueberries para entretenerla un ratito. And then I think we're gonna tackle this first because it is a hot mess y pues it stresses me out. I don't know if that's my toxic trait or if mess stresses you bonitas out, because I literally cannot function mentally. I cannot function, and I need to work on that because honestly, if my house is a mess and let's say I gotta shoot content for Viva Bonita, which I have to, like I will postpone shooting the content and I will have my new arrival sitting there for days because my house is messy, or I need to put stuff away, or I need to wash, I need to fold clothes or something. Like I will postpone that, and I should prioritize that and then clean. Pero pues that's just how my brain works. And let's get to it because I actually do need to do content, but I think I'm gonna do content tomorrow, Monday, because I just want to have like family day today. Peter went to go buy food for the horses. After that, I just want to hang out in a clean home and go have dinner as a family of 3. And yeah, that's mainly what my Sundays are. I now switch grocery shopping to either Monday or Wednesday. I feel like Wednesday mornings, Food for Less has like better deals on the food. So that's what I've been postponing it to, because Sundays I don't want to be at the grocery store. Not on a Sunday. But hay que ponernos a limpiar. Enough talking. Okay, just by cleaning out the table, like I feel like I can breathe again. And vacuuming and mopping is like the final step of like me feeling like the house is finally clean. But being able to see, the actual top of the table is amazing for me. All done? All done? ¿Debajo? ¿Sí? ¿Agua? ¿Ya? Vámonos. Uy, 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 uy. Uy, uy, uy. Cuidado. ¿Qué? Ven, mira, ven. ¿Y qué quieres? Recógelo. Recógelo, por favor. Gracias. Dámelo. Mira, ¿le quieres quitar la tapadera, mami? Ven, recógelo. Okay, so as you guys can see, Angelique wanted to be part of this Sunday reset, so I let her be my little helper. She is the cutest. She would run back and forth from the back door to me while I vacuum. I don't know why the vacuum excites her, but I think it's so cute.
Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you.
Okay, so this has been like a complete mommy moment for me. This is the second time she comes down to the garage and helps me with the laundry. I think it's hilarious because she wants to be part of it. Of course, I give her the clothes and she puts it in and takes it back out. It is so cute. But I just keep her there so that she's not running around and hurting herself.
Changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away.
So it's time to tidy up our bedroom, and you guys see those 2 cups on my nightstand, so I left them there to bring them down to the kitchen, you know, later in the day. And I forgot, and little Miss Angelique grabbed both of them and poured them all over herself and the carpet. Thank God it was just water, but homegirl literally showered in my room.
Means that you'll come home to me.
And to end my night while Peter was putting the baby down to sleep, I went ahead and did my nails, and once he came back we were just chit-chatting, catching up with the day. I decided to go with a red nail, which I had not done in such a long time, but I think they turned out pretty cute.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Okay, bonitas, so that is it for today. This was kind of like my Sunday reset. I didn't even film going to have dinner. It was just our little family time. But I just finished my nails. This is the end result. My hands are all dry. But these are my nails, you guys. I haven't done my nails red since my sister was 15, and that was like 10 years ago. I'm not really a red fanatic of nails, but I was like, okay, why not? Let's follow that TikTok trend. And plus, I don't want my nails to break, so I needed to add a gel coat on there para que no se me quiebre mientras lavo trastes. But yeah, this is the final result, and they're probably going to be on here for like a week or two, depending how long it lasts. I feel like this time around, this is my second time doing my own gel polish. They're probably gonna last a little better because I feel like I did them better. The other ones I would like go over the edges, which causes them to lift, but not these. So hopefully, but that's it. Thank you guys so much. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of think of my menu for the week and shower and call it a night. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you guys have a great rest of your week. Bye, bonitas.